Hello everyone, let's solve spreadsheet. For that, the first step, it is telling me to open a file called as details and save the file name as this. So let's start doing it. Now this is the file. There are two ways, either I can double click open or I can rename it here. So I have opened the file, click on file, save as, make sure it's exactly as the same location, and you can write your name with the correct name. The Excel workbook that needs to be there as an extension, and click on save. Now insert a background color in row 1, which is light blue. Choose row number 1, of course from the column A to M, not the entire one. Choose any of the light blue color. Format column H departure date in the form of long date. Now here that's column K, which date is having. Now long date means the date that comes with the month name, not the number. So you can right click and click on format cell, go to date and choose the long date format like that, or simply in a home tab click on the drop down menu, you can see long date and your work is done. Sort the data into ascending order, first as surname and then forename. Always remember, when you are doing a sorting, when there is a multiple level of sorting, always select the record apart from the title. Go to sort, click on custom sort. Now first it's asking me surname in ascending and then both in the ascending order. So A to Z, add a level, choose forename. Here you notice if you are selecting the data or the record, it is storing that my data has a header. Now this is the header, so it will be easier for us to choose and make sure that we are doing in a correct way. Now this is already been sorted. Now see here, if the names are same, in that case only it will make the changes in the forename, otherwise it will be the same. So you have to remember that. Next, in cell M15, calculate the average by date. Now this is cell 15. I'll increase a column width so I can see it properly. I need to calculate average, so I'll add an average. Double click on it, choose a range, close the bracket and done. It is not telling me to remove a decimal place, so I am not changing anything in it. Insert a text in J15 as maximum cabin required. So column J, I'll write maximum cabin required. Again, it's not fitting into this particular column. Simply double click on J, it will fit the content, or you can drag and make sure that the data is fit. In J16, find the highest cabin required by the guest by using appropriate formula. So this is J15 is over here, J16 equal to max. For the highest one, we are using a formula called as max. Select the range. The maximum cabin required is 8. Highlight the column highlight the column A, days duration, for days which is 18 or less, with border as dotted and text color as purple. Column L, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule 18 or less. I'm not going in a less than. I'll go to more rules, less than or equal to 18. Click on format. It's telling me a border as dotted border. You can choose any of the dotted border, both are dotted. Click on the outline, you can see the border is outline. And the next thing, it is telling me the text color as purple. I'll go to font color as purple, click OK and OK. Now you notice if I zoom, you can see a dotted border is coming. Now here hashtag is coming. Hashtag means what? It's a kind of an error where the data content is not fitting in the column. So I'll double click and you can see the data is here with the dotted border and conditional formatting. Once it's done, the last step is just to save and you are done with the Excel. Click on save button and done. Thank you very much. Now here one more thing, if you notice, this particular data is also not fitting. So you can make sure that all the content in this particular column needs to be fit properly so it's visible. You can do that and then save your file. Thank you so much.